I gotta write that down. I will, I gotta get my entry music back. Where's my Sharpie? Anyway, as I often mention this on Mondays, I can't play any music or you get yanked off YouTube. So, what do we got? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 8:30. All right, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market Prep. As always, drop those tickers or questions in the chat. AAOI, kind of disappointing on Friday, I admit. But it held all day, gapping up a little bit in pre. This was the #1 afternoon idea in the daily income trader system. Listen, I'm pretty lame, okay? I'm not here to brag about how awesome AAOI was. I expected much more. I mean, again, 52-week highs, hot sector, earnings winner, shorts guessing tops all day on Friday. I expected much more out of this on Friday. I really thought that this could, give us that Friday squeeze. But at the end of the day, again, for what it's worth, it held the gap. That's encouraging. Nice to see. That's what we want to see. And I guess the only, as much as I don't like excuses, I think the only excuse would be Friday, just the afternoon. If you were trading, just kind of all the air came out. Like it just really slowed down Friday. Now, I'm not saying that's the reason AAOI didn't move into the close, but I don't think it helped. I think the lack of volume, lack of quote unquote action kind of slowed AAOI down. That being said, love that this is holding the gap. And especially if you get that week open red to green, because shorts are going to try and guess tops again. They're going to short first red day on an earnings winner. Great way to blow up. So week open red to green today. MF. So pretty crazy. China trash, man. I would just trade a dip and rip on this thing. Don't play guessing games. This one's going to end badly. Just trade dip and rips at 350 risk VWAP. Standard approach to a trash low floater. This is China. Don't overstay. Nail and bail. Not an overnight, etc. DNR at 350 risk on VWAP. Standard approach to total trash. Understand what MF is. Yell down huge. It's over. Thanks for the ride, Yell. Listen, this is what's going to happen. We talked about this for weeks. We knew where Yell was going. It's this Tupperware is going there. Nikola is going there. We loved these as day trades, but understand what they are. And we talked about that from day one of the Yell run. We've talked about it from day one of Tup, day one of, Nikola. I'm pretty blown away. Oh, nice. T got in AAOI Friday at 10:40, sold in pre-market at 11:55. Beautiful. Well done, T. Very nice. Great trade. I mean, listen, that's like best case scenario on AAOI. Well done. And anyway, back to Yell. Okay, again, we day trade these. We know what they are. Same with Tup, same with Nikola. We know where they're going eventually. We don't overnight these things. We don't swing trade these things. PRZO breaking news. Let's take a look. Hey, it's low float. Low float and press release. We had one a few days ago, another press release today. Very, very, very vague press release, but it's sketchy penny stocks, okay? World's largest automotive, okay? Who is it? They don't say who it is, and they don't give any numbers. Always red flags, but we got a 5-minute candle here. Trade the dip and rip on this thing. Red flags, for sure. PRZO, DNR, for sure. But lots of red flags in this PR. Lots of red flags in the PR. But good volume and low float. AGRI. Kind of a weird chart. True penny stock, use the Oracle signal, you know. Same answer as always. Always same answer on a true penny stock. Use the Oracle signal. Wait for 9:33, trade the signal. So, TDS, man. TDS, I was shocked by that thing. What a day on Friday. Listen, I thought I saw this thing in pre-market, and I'm like, kind of boring telecom. I did not think TDS had this kind of juice, man. Higher float, boring business, but this is the power. I mean, listen, I never, ever, Friday morning, I'm like, no way TDS is going to go, you know, from 10 to 15. Okay. But hey, this is why we love earnings winners and breakout charts. So anybody that traded TDS on Friday, I tip my hat to you. Well done. I saw a boring telecom. I saw a high float, and I'm like, it's a nice chart. No way did I think it was going to go from 10 to 15. Well done. That being said, earnings winner, day 2, week open red to green. So TDS, hat tip to all that didn't doubt this. And I never hated it. I was just like, you know, high float, boring business, you know, but hey, earnings winners, baby. They didn't doubt this on Friday. Warg today. SVFD. This had news too, didn't it? Or not? SVFD. No news. Okay. So breaking news says no news on SVFD. 2x float rotation. What is this? Reducing food waste. I'm going to assume, I know we're not supposed to assume, but I'm going to assume someone is pumping this. Breaking news says no news, and so, dip and rip it, 156 at the Oracle signal. Not my favorite. Just understand, I tell people, like listen, as trashy as PRZO is, and as many red flags as there are in the PR, at least there's a reason for the move on PRZO. I'm going to base my read on SVFD. I'm going to assume someone's pumping this, someone's manipulating this. So that would being said, 156 with risk on VWAP. Standard dip and rip approach. Don't overstay, no news. So SVFD, good volume. BN says no news. So just don't get greedy. DNR at 156, risk on 137. Foxo, true penny stock, been a good runner. Foxo's run, geez, I don't even know how many times. Whoa! What happened? News? We had the 8:30 press release. AI. Man. I just don't know about him pre. Lot of overhead resistance. I like that it's AI, but I would say wait and see on this thing. So yeah. Foxo, former runner, trash, but AI PR. TTOO. I don't know. It was great last week, but afternoon only. I just think you got too much overhead resistance on this thing. Hey, it was awesome last week, but TTO, wait for afternoon confirmation. CTNT, what's that? No volume. BIGC, no volume. Come on, guys, give me something with volume. So, no offense, but what do you think about LiDAR earnings? I don't know. You know, I mean, so evidently LiDAR earnings are today. Someone says, I don't know. Listen, don't play guessing games, okay? When it comes to earnings, don't anticipate, react, okay? Don't play guessing games. Trade the price action, wait for earnings to come out, and react accordingly. NKTR. Big float. Press release, though. First green day. True penny stock, Oracle signal. So, all right, let me get what's the number one? Bunch of true penny stock. Yuck, yuck, yuck. SVFD, no news, but it's got the best volume. And let me double check the float. It's 2x float rotation. So you got 2x float rotation on a no news play. Nickel and Yell dead. PRZO. Yeah, you got your 5-minute top, so you can trade against that. Cook, same as last week, same as the week open watch or weekend watch list. Look for week open ready greens or continued breakouts on Cook. That was that kind of number one swing from Friday. Doing nothing right now. Sold off a little in the close, but kind of everything sold off into the close. PLX. Quote unquote earnings winner in a trashy biotech. Man, just a lot of levels of resistance. I would say afternoon on PLX because you got resistance at 2, 215, 220, 240. You just got resistance all the way up on PLX. Afternoon only. Too many levels of resistance. All right. Probably PRZO and SVFD for now. So mains, both trash, but good volume on crappy low floaters. So SVFD, and PRZO. Not ideal. I wouldn't call either of them perfect box checkers. They checked some boxes. They got good volume. They got the chart pattern we look for. I'm going to be looking for something better. Okay, like it's officially the end of pre-market prep. Remember, I am live every day. Alex will drop the link to the Daily Income Trader system. I am live every morning. If you like these, you can join me every morning. It is the end. I need to go eat my 6 poached eggs and get ready for the trading day. I like SVFD and PRZO. I'm going to be looking for something better, though. That's the best I can put it. So, all right, guys. Have a great day, and we will see y'all next time. One of these days, I will get my intro music or extra exit and intro music on this computer. So, 5, 4,